Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your science teacher Kiran. How are you students? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Students, we are doing unit 2, name characteristics and needs of living things. So today our topic is comparison between life cycle of two animals. Firstly, I tell you the meaning of comparison between and life cycle. So comparison mean a consideration or estimate of the similarities or dissimilarities between two things or people, or in a simple way you say differentiation. And between basically mean separating two points, and life cycle mean development stages that occur during an organism lifetime. So I discuss with you the life cycle of butterfly and honeybee. So firstly I discuss the first point of butterfly. It is a kind of insect that has a long thin body and brightly colored wings. So if you see in a picture, butterfly has long thin body and brightly colored wings. Butterflies develop in 4 distinct phases. So what is the meaning of phases? Basically phases mean stages. And first one is egg, second is larva, third one is pupa, and the fourth one is adult. Then I discuss the first point of honeybee. The honeybee is a kind of insect which feed on pollen and nectar of flower to form honey. What is pollen? Pollen is purest and richest natural foods containing all of the nutritional requirements of honeybee. What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet fluid found in flowers. Honeybees collect nectar and convert it into honey. So there are 3 castes of bees. What is the meaning of caste? Caste is a term used to describe social insects of the same species, and it has also 4 phases of development. In a picture you see 3 castes of bees. First one is queen, second one is worker, and worker bee is also called female bee, and the third one is drone, and drone bee is also called male bee. Then student, the first phase of life cycle of butterfly and honeybee is egg. So firstly I discuss butterfly egg. Adult butterfly mothers lay their egg on specific plants, mainly leaves, and use a special glue to stick their eggs to plants, and this glue is eaten by their babies when they are ready to hatch. So then I discuss honeybee egg. Queen lays 2000 eggs per day and use a sticky material around their eggs to compartments where they are ready to hatch. So if you see in a picture, the first picture, butterflies eggs, you see they lay their eggs on specific plants, mainly leaves. And students, why butterflies eggs are stick on leaf? Because they use a special glue to stick on a leaf. And in a second picture you see honeybees eggs. Then students, the second phase of life cycle of butterfly and honeybee is larva. So firstly I discuss butterfly larva. After 5 days a tiny worm. What is the meaning of tiny? Tiny means small. So you can say that small worm or a tiny worm like creature hatch out. What is the meaning of hatch out? Hatch out mean to break an egg so a baby animal can come out, and which is called larva. Caterpillar. The soft and sensitive larva hatches from butterfly egg and is known as caterpillar. They are usually multicolored and many caterpillars are hairy. Hair can protect them from insects and some birds, and caterpillars spend almost all of their time eating, and they can also shed their skin. Then I discuss honeybee larva. Healthy larvae are snowy white in color and they resemble small grabs larvae of beetles curled up in the cell. Size, they are tiny in size. Growth, the larvae grow quickly. It sheds skin about 5 times. Once the egg is laid, the larva inside begin to grow and it takes 4 days to hatch larva. Then the fertilized eggs become worker bee and worker bee is also known as female bee. The unfertilized eggs develop into drones or future queen and drone bee is also called male bee. So if you see in a picture, the first picture butterfly larva which is also known as caterpillar and caterpillar are multicolored. And in our second picture you see honeybee larva and honeybee larva are snowy white in color.